We're making a keto pecan pie in a mug. Let's go! Why spend an hour baking a pie for 6 to 8 people and you might not even finish it when you can bake a pie in a mug in 5 minutes? This keto pecan pie in a mug or mug pie is just for one person, and if you get to make it, you will be saying thank you with every spoonful. I've already toasted a half cup of pecan nuts and I'm just going to give them a rough chop. And while it's optional, it does really bring out the flavor and your home will smell wonderful. These will do a light toast at 350 Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius for 10 minutes. Okay, nuts chopped, let's make the easiest keto pie crust on the planet. Add 2 tablespoons of almond flour to a mug or ramekin, 1 tablespoon of melted butter and 1 teaspoon of sweetener. And I like to use powdered so you don't get a grainy texture. Mix until combined, then press the mixture into the base of the mug and set that aside. Now for the delicious pecan nut filling. Add a half cup of toasted and chopped pecan nuts to a bowl, then 1/3 cup powdered sweetener, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, a half teaspoon of vanilla extract, crack in 1 egg, and 3 tablespoons of sugar-free maple syrup. Oh, almost forgot, do add a pinch of salt. Mix that all together until combined, then add it to your mug or ramekin right on top of the crust. Now we're going to microwave for 1.5 minutes. Just serving this with keto vanilla ice cream, and if you want my ice cream recipe, the link should appear in the top right corner of your screen. If you don't like microwaving your food, you sure can bake this in a ramekin covered with foil at 350 Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius for about 10 minutes. Now, do make sure you're hungry when you make this because it's quite filling, and you may think it's not a lot, but it looks like it's about 2 slices. There is a way you can feel like you're having 2 slices of pie, and that's by adding a second pie crust layer in the middle. Then if you want to enjoy only half, eat up to the layer of the first pie crust, cover, store and refrigerate overnight. If you want to make this ahead or have more than 1 serving, the filling weighs about 215 grams. Important info if you're making more than 1. I added the filling to a bag ready for the freezer and it will keep for at least 3 months. I'm off to enjoy this while it's hot and gooey. If pecan pie isn't your favorite and you want me to try another one in a mug, do let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.